Okay, I've actually looked at my YouTube and I haven't done a world update for about, I think it's over a month now. I know, my render distance is insanely low, but that's because I'm running shaders at the moment. Because I thought, I'm doing a world tour, it makes sense to make things look a bit nice. So this is the first thing I want to show you, because I've got a little nether wart farm here, is the auto brewer, which is, I think maybe I should have made it one block longer so I don't keep hooking on those pressure plates. But this is, sorry, I'm actually going to break these. There we go. So at the top we've got the nether wart, and then we've got all the ingredients coming down here. If I go around to the back, you'll see, I'll show it from this side. I've got like the 4 observer setup, rather than the original, I think, just like 1 observer setup. Because for some reason, I was unlucky enough, should have a look, to build it on a chunk border, right next to a chunk border. You don't need to do that normally. But, just my luck. 1 in 16 chance. Chunk border right on the edge of where it's built, which means that it doesn't... the redstone doesn't work for some reason. It doesn't update the droppers. But it's fine, because I did a fix based on... Impulse actually did a Hermitcraft video where he explains the fix. Which is kind of annoying, because... Could have made a separate video, but... Hermitcraft is the busy, right? So anyway, that's the auto brewer. Another interesting thing about this is it's the first time I've ever used light matica. I'm gonna break this tree. Looks disgusting because it's the leaves from the other tree have stuck in place. I'm gonna pre-mine all of those trees actually. This is the first time I've ever used light matica. Obviously, I can't show it at the moment because I'm on Optifine. Specifically Luna client, so I can't really run Fabric. But Light Matica is actually really useful. And it shocked me how easy it was to set up actually. Let's just fly over to the thing I want to show you. Light Matica took me about a minute to set up because I was expecting, right, I'm going to spend this afternoon setting up Light Matica, getting all the Fabric mods sorted out. But it honestly doesn't take that long. It doesn't even take that long to learn how to use it. It's actually got quite a easy learning curve as well. I hate having low render distance, but everything does look gorgeous. Should load in a second. There we go. This is my Trident farm. And the Trident farm and the auto brewer are basically the only 2 things that I've built since my last update on this world. It's kind of a random shape. The reason for that, obviously, is the fact that drowned only spawn in the river biome. So that's the shape of the river biome. But overall, it looks really cool. There's magma on the sides here, so that they go straight down the water. And if they do walk out of the water, swim off the edges, then the magma should get them. Obviously, it can't just be a normal block, because then they get stuck there and pull up the mob cap. But the magma actually makes a really cool shape, especially in the night. If you look at this. It gives it like a, I don't know, sci-fi feel maybe? Obviously, we've got all the stone here to stop light from getting in. And the farm works at night. It doesn't work during the day for some reason, because I think they try and get back up to the water during the day. But during night, they come to these turtle eggs here. But there's one right there. Just gonna make sure you keep hitting them. And this is how I've got my tridents. I think I've already showed off using a trident in another video, but I lost that trident, so... Yeah, this farm's dead nice. Also, the glass reflecting the magma looks really cool. Yeah, haven't got any tridents yet, but... They are keen for the turtle eggs. Oh, fishing rod, very nice. Anyway, I'll fly back to my house and then I'll show you my tridents. Oh, where's my ender chest? What have I done with my ender chest? There we go. So I've got a riptoid and a riptoid, and loyalty trident. Damn creepers. Loyalty's tridents are the most fun thing though, because you can use them to get squid. What spider? And petting only works on underwater mobs, so it's kind of a bit redundant using tridents on overworld mobs, but I mean ground mobs. But you know. What's it? Where's that skeleton? I keep missing the squid because that skeleton distracts me. No, actually, I keep missing the squid because I'm a terrible shot, but... Come on. Anyway, I'll show off the Riptide Trident. You can use it to launch yourself with an Elytra. That's fun. Anyway. I'm so bad with this trident. Actually, you know what? It's actually decent. Yeah, it's not actually that much worse than a bow because it reloads so quickly. I'm gonna take this trident more seriously, actually. Especially from a short range. Yeah, no, they're... Wow. Might even use it instead of a bow. Who knows? Haha. Take that, salmon. I actually could do with doing this because I really want to get some cats to put around my front door. I was flying around the other day in this world and I can't find any cats anywhere. It's really disappointing because I've went to 3 separate villages. Not a cat in sight. Tridents are just so fun. Tridents are the best. Anyway, that was the 2 things I wanted to show off, the Trident Farm and the Auto Brewer. I mean, actually, I tell you what, I'll show the Auto Brewer in action. I can't stop hitting things with this Trident. It's just so satisfying. No, where is Squid? Right. What can I brew to show off the brewer? Right. So yeah, I've brewed up all these speed potions, so that's good news. Right, sugar. I'll put some gunpowder in here, and I can make splash speed potions just to show off how the thing works. Right. Yeah, we've got space to make some more. Right. There we go. So the nether wart's in, and then it takes its time to go to the bottom. Then the next ingredient comes in. And then the water bottles come in. Wait,